So now let's see how we can work around with polar warp effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that in my timeline I have a video clip, and to apply out polar warp to it, I need to go around over here under effects. So once I go around over there, I can go around and expand out the warp area right here, and then you can go around and expand this out right here, and you can find polar warp right here. So once I go around over here and click and drag around the polar warp over here on my particular clip right here, then this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here on the left hand side, you can see that I got some properties over here like rotation, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can go around and click and drag it out. And you can also click and drag this small arrow out right here for the rotation right here. Then you got the range right here, as you can see, that allows you to go around and then let's say, for example, squeeze or expand out the range right here, just like this. You can also go around and change around the start radius that goes out in the center right here, and the end radius over here, just like this as well. So let's just go around and change around the start radius right here and change around the range right here, just like this. So apart from that, you can go around and then tile this out right here, as you can see from the warp X section, so that it repeats it out, and I can tile it out over here just like this as well. So you can see that the effect becomes endless. And apart from that, you can go around and reflect it out right here just like this as well. And so what happens is that it simply reflects it out, and it becomes seamless. You can reverse this out over here just like this as well, and you can see that that is what you have. So you can go around over here, change this around, and then you got a reverse effect, as you can see right here, instead of that right here. So you can go around and change up the range, and it's more in an unwrapped format, as you can see right here, compared to the wrap format. Or you can disable this to get this peer view once more. So that is how you can go around and work around with polar warp effect inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.